Hello, Minecraft world. This is Gigi Gaming Girl here, and today I'll show you how to make an AFK pool. First, you have to get a building block of any kind, and then you just have to put three of a row in it, and then like corner touching the blocks. You have to make 4 walls of 3, and each wall has to be corner touching. Then you can just fly. An easy way is to step into the middle and fly up. And if it has 3 blocks that are all corner touching, then you can land down and find the middle of all of it, all in the middle. And then if you have to place 2 blocks, and then you get a slab, and then in any one of the 4 corners, you can place the slab. Then, Then you get a sign, and you just place it and write anything at all. It doesn't matter. Then you have, and the sign has to be on either the left or right side of the slab. Then you have to get a water bucket and place it on the slab. Then, all you have to do is land in the pool, let your hands rest, and enjoy the ride. Alright, well that's all the time we have for today on Gigi Gaming Girl. I hope you all hugs, kisses, and a lot of cake. Bye!